Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a template or a blank document. This defines structure and saves time. Open Word, pick a resume layout that fits your industry, or create simple sections. Contact, summary, experience, education. Once done, set margins to 1 inch and choose readable fonts, 11 to 12 point for body, 14 to 16 for your name, so scanners and hiring managers parse easily. Make sure auto-save or versions are on. Save as resume draft. DocX to preserve edits and avoid accidental overwrites. Now populate the sections with purpose. Start with a 2 to 3 line professional summary that states who you are and what you deliver. This orients the reader fast. Then add experience in reverse chronological order. For each role, use bullets and quantify wins, percentages, dollars, or time saved to demonstrate impact. Make sure education, skills, and contact info follow consistent formatting. Use single spacing within entries and 6 to 8 point spacing between sections, so the resume scans cleanly and reads well on screen and on paper. Finish by proofreading aloud and running Word spell check. Make keyword adjustments for applicant tracking systems so your resume passes automated filters. Once content is final, export to PDF to preserve layout, review the PDF on mobile and desktop, and print 1 copy to verify margins. If you spot spacing or font shifts, embed fonts in Word save options or set fixed paragraph spacing and avoid manual tabs. This single troubleshooting step fixes most layout issues, so your document looks identical for every reviewer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.